In this quick guide, I'll show you how to remove HubSpot from your Gmail account easily and completely. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Make sure you're on your Gmail inbox page. Next, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your main Google account settings page. Now, look at the left sidebar and click on Security. Scroll down until you find the section called Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. Click there. You'll now see a list of all the apps that have access to your Google account. Find HubSpot in that list and click on it. You'll see more details about what HubSpot can access. To remove it, click on Delete All Connections or Remove Access. Once you confirm, HubSpot will no longer have permission to access your Gmail. And that's it. You've successfully removed HubSpot from your Gmail account. This helps keep your account safe and ensures only trusted apps have access to your data. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.